In this video, you'll learn how to translate a Mailchimp sign-up form effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your sign-up form to cater to different language speakers, enhancing user experience and engagement. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Once there, you will need to sign in to your account. If prompted, enter your email address and password, then click the login button to access your dashboard. It is essential to ensure that you have the appropriate permissions to edit forms within your account. After signing in, locate the automation section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This action will take you to the automations dashboard. From here, you should see various automation options displayed on your screen. Next, look for the forms option within the automation section and click on it. This will direct you to the forms management interface where all your forms are listed. Confirm that the forms you wish to translate are visible before proceeding. Once you are in the forms management interface, find and click on Other Forms. This option will allow you to access a wider variety of form types available for your account. Ensure that you are on the correct screen that lists these forms. Now click on Form Builder. This action will open the Form Builder interface where you can edit the details of your sign-up form. You should see various editing options and tools available for customization. Afterward, locate and click on the Translate It button. This option will enable translation features for your selected form. You should see a new interface or pop-up that provides translation options. Proceed by clicking on Auto Translate. This feature will automatically translate the content of your sign-up form into the selected language. Depending on the complexity of your form, this process may take a few moments, so be patient as the translation is generated. Next, click on Set Default Language. You will be prompted to choose the primary language for your sign-up form. This step is crucial for ensuring that your form displays correctly for your target audience. Finally, select the desired language from the drop-down menu. This action will finalize the language settings for your sign-up form. Once you've made your selection, confirm the changes to ensure that they are applied correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.